Hi guys, welcome to MacTech 360 channel. Those who are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Today we will discuss about this important topic, that is kerosene leak test or oil penetration test. This one is we all of you know that mainly APA 650 storage tank facilities, they are using this technique to identify the defects in the weld, mainly in the root side. Root side means all of you know about this tank, that the basement is on this annular plate, bottom plate and all is the basement. Above that, at the top of that only shell only we have to erect it. Those who are working in the storage tank facilities, we have no that's sequence of that one. First, the annular plate will be welded. Then above that is shell plate will be erected. Na? At that time, we have to make the welding all around. We have to weld on the both side. We have to check the quality of the weld, because the basement will be main important things of the tank, because the whole pressure will be applied in the bottom only. So we have to ensure that the quality of this bottom plate and the shell will be 100% quality we need. So we have to check for this kerosene leak test. I share the video, in that I will explain this how this technique will be applied, and how it will be. As a QC inspector, we have to how to check the defects in the penetrant applied in that one developer. I have to share the video.